Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix this scenario. Scenario: devices, VoIP phone and desktop PC IP address, 10.0.0.50, shared or overlapping. Issues: VoIP phone registration fails, desktop PC may lose internet, likely cause both devices, VoIP phone and PC might be sharing the same static IP, 10.0.0.50, causing an IP conflict, Oregon improperly connected in daisy chain mode without VLAN tagging support. Solution 1. Check for IP conflict. Step 1. Identify current setup. Check the IP address of both devices. On PC, Win+R, type CMD, type ipconfig, look for IPv4 address. On VoIP phone, use phone menu, often under network settings. If both are 10.0.0.50, that's an IP conflict. Step 2. Set devices to DHCP auto IP. On PC, go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Click on the current connection, Properties, select Internet Protocol. Version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Click OK on VoIP phone. Navigate through the phone settings to Network, Ethernet, IPv4, set to DHCP or Auto. Step 3. Reboot both devices. Restart the VoIP phone. Restart the PC. Step 4. Confirm new IP's PC. Check via ipconfig again. VoIP, use phone menu or web interface. They should now have different IPs, for example, 10.0.0.51 and 10.0.0.52. Solution 2. If PC is connected through the VoIP phone, many VoIP phones have a PC port allowing a daisy-chained connection. Sometimes this causes VLAN or pass-through issues. Step 1. Check phone's pass-through settings. Access the VoIP phone's web interface via browser. Get the phone's IP from the phone menu. Type it into a browser, for example, login, default credentials vary. Check your phone's brand manual. Go to Network Settings, Ethernet, PC port enable bridge mode or PC port VLAN pass-through if available. Step 2. Check switch port configuration. If the VoIP is connected to a managed switch, ensure the port is configured for voice VLAN and data. VLAN VoIP phone is tagged properly for voice PC traffic is untagged or assigned to data VLAN. Solution 3. Manually assign unique static IPs, advanced. If you must use static IPs, assign separate IPs PC, 10.0.0.51 phone, 10.0.0.0.52. Gateway, 10.0.0.0.1 subnet mask, 255.255.255.0 DNS 8, 8.8, 8/8, 8, 4.4. How? Same steps as setting to DHCP, but use the following IP address and fill in the details manually. DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Same steps as setting to DHCP, but use the following IP address and fill in the details manually. Final test: VoIP phone registers successfully to the PBX PC, has internet access, and pings external websites. Test via command line, ping google.com. If issues persist, consider checking DHCP server logs, VoIP PBX logs, switch configuration, firmware updates for the VoIP phone. Let me know the VoIP phone model if you want brand-specific steps, DHCP server logs, VoIP PBX logs, switch configuration, firmware updates for the VoIP phone. Let me know the VoIP phone model if you want brand-specific steps.